I woke up in the middle of the nowhere. I don't know what was going outside. I heard something outside. I hear something, but I don't know what's going on. I was a little scared if something was going on, but I forgot the virus was here. Until I saw outside, something happened outside. There's fire everywhere, and the house is blown up, so I didn't know what to do. I got my stuff just in case if something will happen with the virus, so I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what was going on, so I don't know what to do. I heard ambulance in the middle of outside, but I don't know where it was coming from. The sun was going down. That was a relief. I was a little scared when that was thing. This guy was in my house. I was like, why is he in my house? A zombie came out of nowhere. It was a little scary at first, but since I'm inside, he won't get to me. I told everyone to not come inside, and I don't know where I hear doors coming up and down. I don't care what it was. The only thing that I care that there's a big hole in my house. I didn't know what to do, so I got my stuff. I got my stuff. I hear noises coming outside. I don't know what's going on. I hear noises. So I went back to my chest and got my stuff and get out of there. Get out of this place. And I checked if everyone was fine. I told everyone if they were fine or not. I told this guy, are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. Thank you for letting us in the house. You're welcome, I guess. I never remember letting people in my houses. Weird. Since the back door is locked, that's great. Well, let me check upstairs if anybody's in there. As I was saying, I told this guy, how is he feeling? Are you okay? Yeah. I'm just a little scared. That's why I'm breathing devil. Breathing hard. Okay. Everything seemed fine outside. I was a little scared what was going on. I went down to see what was going on. But I was a little frightened. There was blood. There was blood there. There was blood drips. It might have came from. And there's another blood that I didn't want it to touch. This guy survived. He ran away. He didn't talk to me. But I talked to him. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Oh my god, my friends. They're all dead. They're just dead. Don't worry, don't worry. I'll protect everyone that needs help. Just yell for help. There's a zombie right over there. The zombie. I never seen a zombie in my life before. He had a helmet. I wonder how did he get a helmet? I went in a hole and he tried to get me and kill me. But until I killed him, I tried to get out of this house. I tried to get out of this hole. And I did. I was breathing hard. I saw a guy over there. And see if he was okay. Are you okay, mister? Please. And then he started hitting me. I was a little scared. So I ate a golden apple and I had to destroy him. So I killed that guy to death. To destroy him. It took me a long time. Because he was made out of metal. I mean, out of, iron. Then I went in a fire, and I forgot that my dad gave me these apples so I won't go on fire. And these things, I couldn't break them with a pick. I could not. So I don't know what they were. There's a zombie inside of it. I don't know how. There's a zombie inside of it. There's Shirt Grove Street. What does that mean? I checked inside, but there was nothing inside. But there was just a shirt. There's just boots and more stuff. I put things in a chest just in case if people need some resources or some food. I just put stuff that I don't need in there. So I'm keeping the rest. I'm keeping these bullets that I killed before. There was blood everywhere. I didn't like this thing. And then another guy just came, so I had to kill it just in case he didn't kill me. These guys were annoying before, but I'm used to them. I went back over there to see if anybody's fine in there. Everyone's fine. The door was like a little blocked, so the zombies would have came here. I just blocked this, but actually, I opened the door. There was nothing inside, but there was. As I came, I locked the door. I opened the door. See what was going on. I closed the doors at the back door. Then a villager wanted to go inside, but I let it stay. Then something came over there. I didn't like it, so I just ran away so he won't get me. As I was saying, I kept going to see if people were alright. This door was blocked. You know what I did? I busted the window open and checked what was going on. People were safe here. People were safe. Some of these doors were blocked from these people. I just broke the window and got out. They got mad a little and told me to get out. I didn't meant to do that, but I just did. There's blood all over here that I do not want to touch. There's more stuff over there. There's some of these guys. I wanted to see how were they. I thought they were villagers, but they're actually mean. They were skeletons that came from the dead. I killed them to death, and this is when the story begins. Okay, I will come back. I just need to do something. Okay, ready, set, go. So, I went over here. There's some villagers running around. There's spiders over there. But then, I heard noises coming over there. I checked to see it out. But I heard a spider. So I killed it with my axe. Then I didn't know what to do. There was somebody. There was two persons there, which there was a woman and Are you guys okay? Yeah, we're okay. Can you check our own daughter? Oh, okay. Where's your are you a brother? Yes, I'm just looking at this wall. Oh, are you the sister? What's your name, little girl? Rose, huh? I'll try to protect you guys, okay? Just stand back.
Dad?
Yours?
I got you,
Okay. No, just keep it. Just in case.
I'm gonna collect items. Brother,
Yes.
stay back.
We have nowhere to go.
Well, my dog keeps whispering. Dad,
Just don't look at it. Just don't look at it. We got out. You guys stay here.
in the spaces I lost you.
Where you guys going? No. No. Go back.
I don't feel safe right now.
Don't worry, little girl. We have to go. We have to go now. Now. Come on.
Brother, why, brother?
We have to go now. There's no choice. We have to go now. Come on. Hurry. Keep going, girl. Run away. I got this. Back. That was what's gonna happen. Get back. Girl, just run. Why do I take these two?
Where are you?
Just go away. Why are I taking these two? Ah! Just run. It's too much of them. We must go. Ah. Which aren't you gonna run? Run the other way, where am I? Wow. I gotta get out of here. Nice. Oh, heads. Oh god. Zombies everywhere. Just run. Run into a house or something. Oh god. Let's get out of here. You could have just ran away.
I was blocked.
Just. I ran away. The girl was gone. I didn't know what to do. I tried to save that girl, but just run. Next time, run. There was a big hole. I don't know what to do. Either find the girl or get away. There was no choice. So, this is day one of this.
The zombies that keep killing me when I run.
And that was the end of this.